how to enable live chat on YouTube stream. Now you want to make sure that you're signed into your YouTube account, and then you want to click on the create button here and then go live, and then click on now and streaming software. Now you want to simply click on the edit button next to the title right here. And from here, you should be able to specify a title and a description for your live, but we're going to go to the customization tab because we want to enable the live chat. And in this tab, make sure there is live chat checked, and then live chat replay if you want to replay, and also live chat summary if you want to see the summary summarized by AI, I think. And you can also enable the leaderboard option. Now, if you scroll down to participant modes, you can select who can send messages in your chat. So you can let anyone send messages, or only subscribers that have subscribed to you during a specific duration. So for example, people that have been subscribed for 5 minutes. You can also allow only members, which are paid members, to comment. And you can only have approved users to comment. And that's pretty much it for this video. You just need to press the save button, and see you in the next one.